This is common things to be sold on Diwali. Those are lamps. So what you do with these lamps, you fill them with oil, you do the cotton thread and you burn them and you leave them outside for the goddess of for the god to come in. They look pretty cool, colorful, like everything in India. There is. No, there is no any goddess of. Oh, there is Lord Ganesha, right? Yeah, that's the one. So let me show you once. This is the one on the right, Goddess Lakshmi. On the left, it's a Lord Ganesh. That's how they do.
वो पूछेंगे कितने का तब आप बताना.
Those things are pretty cool. I mean, don't know much about them, but oh, this look at the house. Hello, भाई साहब.
हाँ जी.
ये घर कितना?
200 रुपये का.
200 रुपये.
हाँ जी.
ठीक है. ये वाला. So this house is for 200 rupees. It looks pretty good. And those vases at the bottom, it's actually to put oil over there and burn it. So once I'm gonna get home, I'll make it. I'll show you what it looks like. Then you get the cotton and roll these wicks, and then you dip these wicks in mustard oil and you place that wicks in actually mustard oil.